Hey, our friends, today we're going to draw a dog. What kind of dog are we drawing?
Pomeranian.
Yeah, a Pomeranian. And you have a little stuffy that looks like a really cute Pomeranian.
Yeah.
The reason why I like Pomeranians so much is their big heads. And they're puffy, like a pom-pom.
I like them because they have really short legs.
Really short legs. We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers. You also need some
Paper.
Paper and what else?
Something to color with.
Yeah, something to color with. You ready to start?
Yeah.
So the first thing we're going to do is draw the nose and also the mouth and the eyes. And we'll put your little puppy over there. And we're going to start by drawing the nose right in the middle of our paper so that we have room for the whole head. We're going to start here and draw a little oval shape in the middle. Yes. And then let's color in that shape. And then let's draw the mouth. We're going to draw the letter U that comes out to the left, and then also letter U that comes out to the right. And then let's also draw the mouth open. And your little stuffy has a big tongue sticking out, but we're going to draw the mouth open and then add the tongue inside. Oh, that's a cute mouth. And we're going to draw the little tongue. I'm going to draw 2 bumps, 1, 2 for the tongue inside. Yeah, and then we could color in the top part of the mouth. Now let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and a circle over here on the right to match. And then let's also draw the little highlight or the reflection in the top left of each eye. Draw a little circle. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. See how that makes the eyes look shiny and friendly. Also super cute. Oh, are you adding eyelashes?
Yes.
Perfect. All right, now we're ready to draw the head, and we're going to draw a big circle, but let's first draw the bottom of the circle. We're going to draw it right here. I'm going to draw a circle like this. We're going to come around. Oh, then we're going to draw the top of the circle. Yeah, and then let's draw the ears. We're going to draw a little ear sticking out here, and then also a little ear sticking out over here. And we could also draw the inside of the ears. I'm going to draw a little curve like this and then a zigzag down. Almost looks like the letter Z. Yes, and then we can draw the same little letter Z on the other side. Looks like a little lightning bolt. Yeah, you did it. There's our little Pomeranian's head. And it's super cute. But what are we missing?
The body.
Yeah, the body. Let's draw 2 little legs. We're going to draw one leg. We're going to come down like this. And then we're going to come back up, but it looks like a backwards letter J. Yeah. And then we could also draw another leg right here. I'm going to draw it smaller, but watch this. Well, not smaller. We're going to just draw it so that it doesn't connect all the way up to the neck. Yeah. And then let's draw a zigzag line in between the 2 legs. Yeah. And then we could draw the belly line right here. And then let's draw the back leg. We're going to start here, and we're going to draw it coming down like this. And then we're going to curve in and connect. So you can start there. Yeah, for the leg. And there you go. And then we could also draw the other leg just right here. You can barely see it. Yeah. Now we got 4 little legs for our Pomeranian. Oh, we could add the little toe lines. I'm going to add 2 little toe lines on each foot. And then what are we missing back here?
The tail.
Yeah, the tail. Let's draw a little puffy tail right here. I'm going to draw a zigzag line for a little pom-pom. We did it. There's our Pomeranian, except we're not completely done.
Still need to color it.
Yes, this part will speed up, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. You could also color your Pomeranian any color you want.
Yeah.
You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our cute little Pomeranians, and I especially love how yours turned out. It's always my favorite because I think it just looks so cute when you're all done. I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings also. We used just 3 colors, right? We used our orange color and then also this little peach color. We used the lighter color for the bottom of our Pomeranian's head and also on the body and ears. And then we used our orange for the rest, for the top of the head and also the body.
And then pinks for the cheeks.
Yeah, pink for the cute little cheeks and also the tongue. And we also left around the nose white.
You could even add a background.
Oh, what could they draw in the background?
outside.
Oh yeah, your Pomeranian could be at the park or maybe swimming at the pool because it's so hot outside.
Yeah. You could also even add more Pomeranians.
Oh, you could draw a whole family, maybe even some baby ones. Oh, this one looks like a baby too.
Yeah. Or you have fun drawing Pomeranian with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good job. High five. Boop.